Hi the guy dreaming, and today in this video we're gonna unbox two things. One, I'm gonna tell you why I had this again, but we are mainly wanting to open our 1 or 2 months waiting thing, the blue Snowball ice. So before we tell you what this thing is surviving for, and why this thing I've been bought by my uncle Phil, which was I was supposed to pay for. Let me tell you guys, our sponsor is E-Advantage. If you don't know what E-Advantage is, it's a neutral product that you could use to get more energized and be more prepared than normally for a gaming session. And now, let's continue. What? Do this. Because when I was recording this on my PlayStation camera, this failed. This guy failed us. You will not know the way. Don't forget this. Get that sound my phone. Don't do that later on, man. Sit down, man. Now get it unboxed. Snowball. Nice. It's a bit broken once it's reaching because it's so far away. No, just open it with one hand. Sucks. Opening it. Open it with one hand. Sucks. Get it. That's something good. Stuck. I'm stuck. There's only one thing to do. Opening tape. To make that inside. It's just super broken. So then there's one tape. Sorry. Yep. No. Oh, my hand sucks. Oh, let's just open the damn thing. Bro, there's too much tape. My legs help me. I'm sorry. It's God certified. Thanks. That's it. Fine, if this doesn't come out right now, I'm gonna use a knife on this. Oh, I don't have to break the box. Now before we take it up this thing, I made it too long with this video. Plug and play USB microphone. Improve on your cartoon, Skype, messages, and FaceTime. Record instruments from podcasts. Create podcasts and add narration to your phone numbers. Add crystal clear audio to recordings for YouTube. Easy plug and play directly to your Mac or PC. Forget everything else. No drivers installed. That's why I bought this stuff. España, italiano, this Texas, China. Microphone outside Francis. Yes, you got the adjustable mic stand, USB cable. Crystal cordless of a crystal clear audio, which I will do that later on. Plug and play USB microphone. Microphone USB properly and play it. Now that's loving it. Da 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 da. Look at this. Beautiful. That's how I'm gonna use on PlayStation. That's on my stand. That's is very good. And Snowballs. Wrong side. Yeah, something. Well, I should be. You think? Come here, my little boy. Got the microphone here. Snowball eyes. Blue. Blue microphones. Snowball eyes. Assemblies in China. Always China. Oh, this video take too long. Please, someone. Because also gotta do this. And they're gonna show the output. It's too much. I'm gonna tell you what happened to something. Or why I can't. I lost exactly. That's the USB. That's gonna plug into me. Okay. Is that correct? Just enter. Enter. It's not even entering. Oh, you got noise in here? See who's that? Oh, the unit fortress. Sorry, I can't come. Fine. And then this connects to this. Beautiful. And then noise. Nah, just my sister's family. Okay. That's. Adjustable mics. One hand sucks. One hand sucks. Fine, then we just do this. Don't ruin it, boss. Don't do anything. I'll start that for you too. Fine, let's not do this then. It's a waste of time. Which we need. Sorry. Ultimate celebration of Christ's future. I don't remember the Sanchez necklace. 4 unique colors, learn to the nation, and from pixel pack for gateway. 5 playing the country's unique ability. 5 brand new stages get some okay. To the characters. Same thing, but this. How can I hold this one? second part. I don't know. To this. Not say this first. Now that we did this, let's continue this later on. Bye bye.
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were lined with adventure, mountains in the way couldn't keep us from the sea.
Okay guys, so now we just uncovered all three things. Two things that we did. First we unboxed the blue snowball. Second we unboxed Sonic Mania. Third we showed you the original and the four, but not enough storage on my phone here. So yeah, now I got test this mic on a live stream which will be a few hours after this video will be published. Might take the rendering and editing. So I'm gonna say that my account got hacked and all that stuff. So now I lost Black Ops 4. So I'm gonna play some Warface and all that stuff. Yeah, I'm just taking it down. Angle. What? Happy man. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, definitely to like. If you want to comment or anything, just say hi or have any improvements or want to talk to me, just comment. If you really want to don't miss my videos, click on the red subscribe button and turn on post notifications with the liner in the ring. Don't miss any videos. Alright guys, peace.